crow.
Pretty soon, he replied, the Twin Woodman's castle is in the southern part of the
Southern.
Southern part of the Winkle country, and so it can't be a great way from here.
Mm-hmm.
Fearing they might go too far, Dodie and
drinks on me, girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money supersized, G5 super fly, should be supervised.
I can see it. Reach the Twin Woodman Cows B because you saw the cows.
Mm-hmm.
Remember?
You think so, or are you right?
No, I'm right.
Okay.
Lily and Scarecrow know that he obeyed very well for the I had an idea for when I'm done with my homework. I have PE in school, and whenever PE's over with, we play a game called On the River on the Bank. And whenever
Go do the other sheet. Okay, I'll show you.
I see the other. It says Constitution,
Constitute.
House of Relatives.
Representatives.
Yeah. And then presidents live in this place, which is the White House. And then I can't read that one because that one's not my language, but the Supreme Court, Judicial Court, whatever.
Let me come see it. I think I know what you're doing. Oh, judicial.
Just explain stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here's the stuff. Here we go. What are three branches of the U.S. government? President of the United States. B. The President, the House of Relatives, and
Representatives.
Yeah.
Wait, we can't say that.
And then this article describes the three branches of government and their responsibilities. Which branch does the first? Government.
Read the choices to me again.
Oh my God! The three branches of government do not have the same amount of power. The people who wrote the Constitution wanted every American to help make laws. The people who wrote the Constitution did not want to have just one branch of government.
I'll have to, I don't know. I'll have to go and read that.
What's the question?
This one right here.
What can you conclude? Well, you got to read the paragraph. The people who wrote the Constitution did not want one person or group to have too much power. That was why they divided the government into three parts known as branches. What can you conclude based on this evidence? You got A, the three branches of the government do not have the same amount of power. who helped make laws, see, the people who wrote the Constitution did not want to have just one branch of government.
And I said I need to come read the paragraph.
And, okay, AJ, you gotta stop, go back and you read about the people who wrote the Constitution. That's why they divided the government into three parts, known as branches. So then you're gonna make a conclusion based on this statement, whether the branches were due to not having single amount of power. They didn't say that. They said they didn't want one group to have too much power. The people who wrote the Constitution wanted every American to have made laws. The people who wrote the Constitution wanted to have just one branch of government. Seems to me if we see,
See?
yeah, you sound that's based on what you read in the first sentence. That's your first part of everything I want.
Okay.
You
What
got
is
your own
an
language. Okay, go ahead.
example of how one branch of government can be affected by the other branches? A, the exclusive branch includes the president, the vice president, and the cabinet. B, justice, the Supreme Court courts are appointed by the president. The
Now get ready for Scenting Mo's challenge video. Woohoo!
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.